Hi guys, welcome back to the video tutorial. We are on the day 4 of our tutorial. So without wasting much time, let us discuss the remaining topics which is coming under the home tab. Okay, so we have a blank slide here to show you the examples. You can see that when I click on it, on this one there is a lot of shapes that are already there. Recently used shapes, which means the shapes that we inserted before: lanes, rectangles, basic shapes, block arrows, equation shapes, flowcharts, stars and banners, callouts, action buttons. You have this many shapes that's there. To insert this one or to draw the shapes, you just need to click on it. For example, I am clicking on something, the basic shapes, like a rectangle. I click on the rectangle and I draw it. Once you've drawn it, you can resize it like this. You can adjust the horizontal width, height, whatever you want you can adjust. You can also rotate it using this one. Okay, these are the options are there. And you want to insert some oval shapes or rectangle, you can see that I inserted this one. This is about that section. Everything you can insert like this. You want to make some block arrows, you want to draw some block arrows, you can do it. You can rotate the block arrows. So I hope you understood how to insert how to draw the shapes. It's very simple, same like in the paint. The people who know paint, they can easily draw this one. So let us see the next part, arrange option. Now you have seen that there is two shapes there. So I have a circle here and I have a rectangle here. I put the circle on top of a rectangle, but I want to arrange this one. So what I can do it, I just want to click on the top of circle and send it to backside. And if I want something which is backside of rectangle, for example here it's circle, I click on it and bring to front, it will be bring to front. Similarly, this is opposite, bring forward, send backward, just opposite of this one. And here you have, I have chosen the circle now. Okay, I have a circle here and I am trying to align this one. Align option, we have left alignment, center alignment, right alignment, align top, align middle, align bottom, distribute horizontally, distribute vertically. Whatever options are there, it's very simple. It's same like aligning of the letters that we have discussed in the previous slides. For example, if I want to align the circle to the left side, I click on it, it's aligned to the left side. Wherever you put it will go to that left side. When I put right side, it will go to right side. And if I want to align it middle, you can see the middle of the slides, it will go here. Okay, that is about align middle. And here it's the distribution, the distribution, it's gonna be to the middle, it will come to the middle, distribute horizontally. And distribute vertically means it will distribute the shapes vertically, which means it will come middle of the shapes. The center point, it will be at the middle of the slide. Okay, and rotate option you will not be able to understand on the circle. You have this one, and I'm going to add more width to this one. So you can see that when I rotate to the 90 degree, you can see that it's rotated by 90 degree. The height becomes the width and the width becomes the height. So in this way you can rotate it by 90 degree, and also you can flip vertical and flip horizontal. You can see that flip vertical is flipped vertically, flip horizontal means you will not be able to understand. Let's add something or write something. I have typed a high there, but you can't see that there is a high. So you can see that when I flip it horizontal or flip it vertical, and I'm going to align it, rotate it by left side 90 degree. Now you can see that high, there is high, and I can see that when I flip it vertical, you can see that high is not there. When I flip horizontal, it's there. So that is flipping. and more rotation options are there. You can choose it custom, height, width, you can choose it, rotation, you can give the rotation by point degrees, like 1 degree, 2 degree, you can give it. Scale height you can, and scale width you can choose it by the percentage of the shapes that you have. So that is a good feature. And position, you can position from the left side, position from the right side, vertical position or horizontal position. Text box specification, even I put it's on the middle now. When I put it bottom, you can see that the height came bottom, and you can rotate it by 270 degree or 90 degree. So that is about that section. Do not auto fit is there, which means if there is more letters, we don't have that much now. That is text box, you can try that one. Wrap text means nothing but including all the letters in the box. When I go with this one, when I uncheck this one, it will not be able to fit the text in the shape. But here you will not be able to understand, there is no, only 2 letters are there in the big box. So that is about that section. And now let's go to okay, we have one more topic left here, 2 more topic actually. Selection pane. Selection pane means how many shapes are there. Here we have an oval shape, rectangle, you can choose any shapes there. For example, I have something like this, you can see that it's adding automatically there. Okay, you can choose 2, 3, 4 or whatever shapes you have, you can choose it. Just press Ctrl and do this one. You can also rename the items, okay, like arrow, I changed to oval. So this one you can do, it's selection for you to understand the shape if you have more shapes inside the slide. That's about that. Now I will show you the grouping. You can see that I have one rectangle here, I have one circle here or oval shape here. I want to make it a group. It's a group now, so I want to change it somewhere. You can see that spacing between them, it's same, it does not change when I group it. And also when I apply something, for example filling the shape with some other color, choose this group, shape filling, choose some other color, you can see that it's applied together. Shaping outline, it's outlined with the same shapes. So in this way you can give the specification, give the format to a group of items or group of images that you have drawn there, okay. And let's quick styles are there, we can apply the styles in one click. It is also easy for organizing, and that's about quick styles. Okay, now we have shape fill option that we have already seen here. You can choose the color, we can remove the color using no fill, more fill colors. You can choose any one of this color and fill it. And pictures there, eyedropper is there, you don't need it. Picture, if you want to insert some picture, for example I'm inserting a picture, Ubuntu, I don't have any other picture. So there I insert a picture inside this one, it will be fitting to the shapes, okay. It will crop the image also as per the specification. I'm just showing that we can insert the picture. And gradient, you can go with the gradient option, and you have, if you want to make it more beautiful, you can go to more gradients, and you can choose different color and linear to radial. You can adjust the spacing, all this. And also if you want to add more color to the gradient, for example here I need a red color, you can see that it's red color. So that's very cool, that it will be very beautiful if we apply gradient fill in a proper way. Picture or texture fill we have discussed already, it's just showing another window. Pattern fill is there. Here you can choose 2 colors, foreground and background, and you can apply them. You can see that when I apply the foreground color, it's changed to green. And here you can choose the lane color. If you want to choose a gradient lane, you can go with the gradient line also. Solid lanes, whatever size you want. For example, I put 6 pt with a bigger outline, and I want to make it a different compounding, and dash types a different one. like dashed line. So in this way you can choose the shapes of line, sorry, the format of line and the format of the shape. And shape effects, we don't need it, we don't use it much time, but just for understanding we can add the rotation, like 3D rotation. You can see that I added the 3D rotation, and you can remove the, you can add the glow to the outside of the outline. You can see that you can check it when you have the PowerPoint in front of you. You can change it accordingly. You can add the reflection. You can see that, you can see the high, it's reflected here. Okay, so that's about, let's ungroup this one, it makes me crazy. Okay, I click on it here and I add some reflection. You can see that this reflection is there. So that's about shape effects. You can try all of them, there is no problem, and you can choose whatever you need, and as per your idea of designing the slide. Okay, now the topics it's remaining is find and replace. Finding means finding a specific word. For example, I want to find the word power on my presentation. If there is any other, nothing, only one power is there, the word power, it's matching the case. And for example, I put small p here and remove the match case. You can see that there is no matching case here. Match case, we don't have any matching case when I check this one. So that's about finding a specific word. For example, you have a lot of slides, like 100 slides. You want to find some word or something, so you just click on it, find, and search it. You can also do it by Control F or find. Control F will also work. And you can see there is replace option, or this one you can use from here. Power, I'm going to make it power, PWR. When I go with the replace all, I can see that, sorry, match case, I remove the match case, replace all. Now you can see power is changed to PWR. So you can do it to, if there is more than one word or single word, whatever, it doesn't matter. So that's about find and replace. Select all means selecting all the boxes inside the slide. And I click on it and I choose this one, select all. It will select all the slides in the presentation. When I click here in the slide and I tell him to select all, then it will select all the boxes or the shapes or whatever they are inside the presentation. Okay, you can see that all the four it's selected. And select objects, it's I think I have seen it. You can choose one of the object to select the object. Just clicking outside, it doesn't matter, so that's not important. Selection pane, we have seen it already. You know how to rename it as well. So guys, thank you for watching this video, and if you're watching this video for the first time, click on the subscribe button, press the bell icon for the new videos, and thank you for supporting me. And if you have any queries, don't hesitate to comment below. Once again, thank you. Bye bye.